Hey, welcome back to another episode of Help Me Build My Monte Carlo. And today we will be changing out the alternator. And it looks like it's only like a good couple of bolts. Good thing on the old school we have a bracket that we can put it on. So what I do is I outline where the old one is so I know where to put the new one and mark the new one. So let's get it started. It's only a couple of connections. One right there. 2 bolts. Well, let's get started. On fast.
At this point, I got tired of looking for them, so yeah, this is what's about to happen. Like the ground wires.
Beat me up. Took off. I had to unloosen more bolts than I thought with the alternator, but it is in. So we're tightening up the other bolts, which will get tight with the belt. Tighten it up in the right spot. Tighten it up by hand first, then tighten it up with the belt. New alternator in, old one out. Next will be the power steering, which is right there. So next thing I will be changing out is the power steering. Stay tuned.